Display all components. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Cotton filter replacement. Remove the cap on the suction port to access the filter. Replace the filter once a week, or after each client use. Rubber ring replacement. Replace the damaged rubber ring with a spare from the accessory bag. Breast cup connection. Attach one end of the narrow Y-shaped hose to the suction port. Connect the other 2 ends to the breast cups. Vacuum cup connection. Connect one end to the suction port on the main unit. Attach the 2 remaining ends to the 2 vacuum cups. For single cup use, tie a knot on the spare end. Roller cup connection. Connect one end of the straight hose to the suction port and the opposite end to the roller cup. Install the power cord. Press the power button to turn on the device. Settings. Duration, 10 to 15 minutes. Suction duration, 6.0. Release duration, 1.0. Select Mode 1, Continuous Suction. Suction intensity, 10 to 20 cmHg. Adjust the suction and release duration according to the individual's endurance. Suction test. First time use, set the vacuum intensity to a moderate level. Put your finger on the suction port to check if the device is functioning properly. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Cleaning and storing. Clean the vacuum cup and roller cup by wiping them with a wet wipe or saline solution. Dry them thoroughly with a clean towel before storage.